So I'm rinsing the sprouts. This is the wheatgrass. All right. This is the wheatgrass. Oh. Yeah. Gotta watch that. Put them in here, you can hear them, kind of. I don't know if you can hear them. I gotta get a good microphone for that. Oh, sprouties. They're popping open. You can see their little tails are coming out. They're popping open. Anyway, that's the hard red winter wheat. I gotta do this quickly because they're not supposed to get a lot of sun. All right, this looks like, is this mustard or is this the French mix? No. See, this is mustard, just one kind of seed. This is stuff with mustard and other stuff. Okay, so, cold water, Stephanie, cold water. You cook them if you use the hot water. All right, we're not trying to cook them right now. We'll cook them later. You're supposed to cook them. Something about there could always possibly be E. coli in there or something. So, gotta heat it up enough to kill any possible E. coli. Teeny tiny itty bitty. Oh, I see some tails popping out. I see some tails popping out. It specifically instructions say hit it against the side of your kitchen sink. So then these things, they have this thing here where they can sit flush, but they can't get any airflow there. So these are specifically designed to create the right airflow. I don't think they make them anymore. And yeah, they're plastic, but again, they already exist. I already have them. From what I've researched, though, microplastic issue is really a lot for people that have had a lot of medical treatments, specifically the IV bags and the IV tubing and all the plastic tubing. So I don't know about that, but I feel like I was already born toxic. So at this point, I'm counting on evolution to come around, help us out. That's all I got. Evolve. And it's not, it can't just be humans. It's gonna have to be nature along with humans. Ah. I think they're looking good. I want to touch these puppies. They're big enough, they don't want to stick to my hands too bad. Touchy, touchy. Touchy. I washed my hands. I don't know about these. We'll see. They look like they're bloating. They look like they're bloating. First they blow up with water, then they pop open. Oh. Guess that counts as banging it against the counter. So. We'll see. We'll see. Should get put these away.